Okay, so for the next exercise, it says butterfly life cycles. The web page describes the life cycle of a butterfly. First sentence of each paragraph states what happens during that stage of development. That sentence should be emphasized. Wrap the first sentence of each paragraph in a span tag. Then add a rule for span that makes the font bold in all caps. To do the caps, you have to use font-variant :small caps. Add another rule that makes the images square. They should have the same width and height plus a size that looks good on your screen. Feel free to modify the body styles or add more. If you want to try a challenge, try wrapping the image in the paragraph describing the image in a div. Then style that div with the border, margin, font styles, different colors, etc. So we'll click Get Started. So here's what it gives us to start with. I know there's I noticed that fourth is misspelled here. Just leave it the way it is because you don't want to change anything that they give you. A lot of times they'll count it wrong if you do that, so just don't do that. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a span on all of these, all the paragraph tags, that is. So the way we do that is we'll just click right after the paragraph tag. We do our little arrows, and we have to wrap that first sentence because it only wants the first sentence. So we highlight this one, Command X or Control X if you're on a PC. We'll go here to the end and we'll paste it there, and then I'm just going to copy this again, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it in each thing here. I'm actually just going to go ahead and I'm going to copy the whole thing and paste it, and then I'm just going to go back and I'm going to Command X to cut it and just put it at the end of each first sentence. Command X, Command V, Command X, and Command V. All right, so now every first sentence has a span wrapping, but now we need to tell it what that's going to do. So we're going to go now to our style sheet, and we are going to, it gives us the body already, but it talked about doing image, making it have a certain height and width, and then we'll do the span, of course. So we'll go down to, we'll do image, a little curly Q thing, and then our image is going to have a height of 200 pixels, and it's also going to have a width of 200 pixels. All right, now we can go down, and now we'll write a rule for our span. We're going to make the font -weight :bold, and then we'll do the font -variant, because it wanted us to do this font variant, equals small -caps. All right, so let's see what that looks like. All right, so now the images are smaller. The as you can see, the first sentence has bolded letters, and it's all caps. Let's see, and let's see if it works. And it does. So we'll click Submit and Continue.